Welcome friends. Today I am showing how to do cretan stitch. Okay, for that first you take out the needle from down to up and see I have shown here 4 lines you can see. So last line you will come, put the needle down and come to this line. See like this. Okay. And always see that now I will pass to this line opposite of this like this and come to this line, and needle thread should be down the needle, that we have to see like this. Again come here and put the needle, take the needle, see, put the needle down and come to this line like this. Now here we will put at the edge and take out the needle to this first, and again come to here and take out the needle here. This is called keratin stitch like this. In center you can see like herringbone stitch. Okay, now see, put at the edge and come to this line, first one, and the thread should be down the needle. Again come here, take the needle down, come here and just pull out the needle. Thread should be down the needle every time, that you have to see. See like this, take out the needle to this line and like this. Take here, take out the needle like this. Again come here like this, come here to here. Straight only we have to take, only simply down and coming. That 4 lines we are drawing, it is easy to do it quickly. See like this, come here. Thread always you put below the needle so that it will come like zigzag in the center like this. Here like straight you have to take. Okay, see like this. Center you are getting a zigzag line. Only you have to see that the thread is below. See like this. And this is known as keratin stitch like this. Come here like this, come here, take out the needle. If you are drawing the line, it is easy to do it. When we are taking close, then the leaf or petals is fully filled, and in center you can see design, means zigzag design like this and like this. So like this we can complete the, see, straight you have to take, put the needle down and come here. Thread should be below the needle. Straight and take out the needle here and see that the thread is below. So in this way we can complete the keratin stitch like this. See, come here and like this. So here I am ending now, so I am putting the needle down. In this way we can complete our keratin stitch. See, in center we can see zigzag line. Thank you. Please like, share and comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.